Hi, this is Lorraine P from Step Up Boss Up TV, and today I am bringing you a new updated version on my creating Instagram stories templates with Canva training. So here we go. So Canva updated probably over 12 months ago now. They updated their platform and we now have Canva 2.0. Now this training, I've got Canva Pro, so this training is on my account, my Canva Pro account. But you should be able to access everything I'm about to show you on just the Canva, the free version of Canva. So first up, you go into your search bar and you just type in Instagram stories. I've already started typing it in, and you can see they give you loads of options in terms of which Instagram stories templates you want to use. When I did my first training, you had none of this. This was kind of like hidden, and I literally found it by accident. But now it's super updated and you can just literally search and find it, and there it is. And you've got all the designs and templates that they make available to you to change and brand as your own. Now for me, I'm going to be showing you how to take any one of these and make your own, and I'm also going to kind of show how you can take a blank version and kind of make it your own as well. So let's go here, let's select that one. It's a brand new one. I've never tried to do anything with this one before. So first up, I like that it's kind of like a nice black and white, but let's make it a bit more colorful. So what I tend to normally do with if I'm taking a template from Canva to make my own, is I will take my brand colors and my fonts and I'll just start applying it to any template that even if it's a Canva template, or if it's a template that I've bought from Creative Market or Etsy or anything like that. This is how I will customize these templates to make my own, to brand it in my company's brands. So I've got all my brand colors here, so I can literally just choose any one of these. I love to use this one as a background. Let me just test out. Oh, actually that works as well, and I think that will work even better if I then switch up all the colors. Now this is what came with the template, so it's grouped together. I don't like working with things that are grouped. I can always regroup them in a minute, so I ungroup them like that, and then just change the colors, and I like that. So immediately I can then change the fonts on this. Now right now I'm not going to bother change the wording. I'm literally just going to show you how you can change the fonts, because to change the wording you literally just type in. So I'm going to go for that, and then let's just change the fonts. Now this has multiple fonts in it, and I'll show you how you do that. You just double click on, and then what you can do, I might just use the same fonts that I've used before just to make it easier, and then so that way you've got multiple fonts in the same thing. And then now what I'm doing is I'm selecting multiple elements on the page to change it quickly, and I'm doing that by literally clicking on there, hitting my shift key, and then clicking on the second element, and then that groups things together. That's also how you can group stuff. So I could group by clicking group, or because all I wanted to do was change the colors of multiple things at the same time, I just changed the color. Let me change, and you can do the same thing with fonts. You could just, it just makes things a lot quicker, and then you just click out of it when you want to ungroup it. So I've got several things that I've just grouped together and change. Now looking at that, I'm like, yeah, I kind of liked that those elements were actually black and the wording was in white. So I'm going to change that back to black. It's black. So all those are black, and we're going to put that one black as well because I like it like that. And then also going to throw in my logo. Thinking, where can I throw in my logo? So what I'm going to do is definitely going to start customizing this down more. And I can literally just go into my folders, grab a logo, and I've got logos in several different colors. I can use that color so it stands out against the pink. And so now what I want is an image. So I could also, like, if I wanted to move several things at once, just like I was like just so literally just like that. You could just change it up and there you go. You've taken an existing template from Canva and you've made your own template that you could use over and over and again. Now another great thing you could also do is you could take that template and you can either duplicate it. So if you're going to do a week's worth of content for your Instagram, you could just duplicate it and then you could take that base template and you could just switch it up. So just switch up the images and then put in your own words. Now the other option is to then just hit new page where you just get your background colors, and then you could be like, okay, I'm going to change this up a bit. So I'm going to still have that kind of like middle bit, but I'm going to do something a bit different. I'm going to do video, for instance. So what you then do is you will go into your elements and then go into a frame, to the frames, select a frame, like save that, and you just pop that in the middle. And then say if you've got a video, I haven't got any videos uploaded, but I'll just go up to here and grab a video. I wonder if they've got anything of anybody reading. let's just throw that in, and then you could literally just duplicate, just throw that down here, and then you could literally just again shift and click on all these elements, duplicate and drag those elements down here and position it, and then you can just click out, and at that point you could literally just grab those two, put them down there. Oh yeah, we've forgotten this. We can just duplicate that, pull it down. Okay, that. Just pull it down. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Put it down there, and there you go. You've got, and what you've got here is video including your Instagram stories. So what you would then do is, so now you've got your templates that you could use over and over again in your business and just adapt as you need. And with Instagram stories, what's really great is just to keep it fresh, keep the look fresh. The only way to keep, and the best way to keep consistency throughout your brand, is to just use your brand colors and your brand fonts and your logo. And that's how you keep the consistency, but to still keep it fresh by just using slightly different designs and quirky designs. And then here what you can do is, then when you download it, if you've done something like this where you've got like photo, video, what you then want to do is not to download all this video. What you do is you download the video. I've done video first, and just click here and just download your Instagram story video image first, and then come back and then select your actual images, and then download those as a zip, and then unzip them and upload them and use them as you need to on Instagram. Okay, so that is the training for today. I hope you enjoyed this updated version. If there's any questions you have, please just let me know below, and I will try my best to answer any questions you have about Canva and creating templates, whether it be Instagram stories templates or any kind of other Canva related questions, or even just branding questions or business questions. I am open to help you. So if you need any help, just let me know. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me.